If you want to open an app in the pop-up view or floating window mode on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you need to do is first you can open any app that you want to open in the pop-up view. Then you can go to Recent or Background Apps, and then you can tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the preview, and you should be able to find Open in Pop-up View. There we go, just like that. Of course, we can grab by any of the corners to resize the window. You can also tap on this line that we have at the top to find a couple of additional options, including the return to the full screen view. Besides that, we can also use the sidebar or edge panels. If you have any app over here, you can, for example, well, instead of tapping, you need to actually press and hold your finger on the app and then drag it outside to the middle of the screen. And if you drop an app here in the middle, as you can see, you open it in the pop-up view. And also there is a gesture that we need to enable in settings if you want to use it, that allows you to activate the selected app in the pop-up view. So we need to go to settings, scroll down over here to go to advanced features, then go to multi-window, and then here we have swipe for pop-up view, which we can enable. And you can also adjust the top corner area, because now we can grab any app from the upper left or upper right corner, and then if you drag it to the middle, as you can see, we can open the app in the pop-up view. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.